Have you ever wished you could simply regrow a lost tooth, just like a shark? For centuries, this has been the stuff of science fiction, a dream far beyond our grasp. But what if I told you that future is rapidly approaching? And when it does, how will it stack up against our current best solution, the trusty dental implant? Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of tooth regeneration, comparing its potential future cost and accessibility with the established reality of dental implants. It's a battle of biology versus biomaterials, and the stakes are, well, your smile. Let's start with what we know. Dental implants are a marvel of modern dentistry. A titanium post surgically placed into your jawbone, acting as a root, topped with a custom-made crown. The results are incredibly durable and natural-looking, but this sophistication comes at a price. In the United States, a single dental implant can range anywhere from $3,000 to $6,000, and sometimes even more, depending on the complexity, materials, and location. This often includes the implant, the abutment, and the crown, but not always additional procedures like bone grafting, which can add thousands to the bill. For many, this cost is a significant barrier. While insurance might cover a portion, it rarely covers the entire procedure. It's an investment in your health and confidence, but a substantial one nonetheless. Now, let's fast forward to the exciting frontier of tooth regeneration. Scientists worldwide are making incredible strides. We're talking about using stem cells, growth factors, and even gene editing to stimulate your body to naturally grow a new tooth. Imagine a tiny tooth bud implanted into your jaw, maturing into a fully functional tooth, indistinguishable from your originals. There are several promising avenues. One involves harnessing mesenchymal stem cells to differentiate into the various tissues of a tooth: enamel, dentin, cementum, and pulp. Another explores using biodegradable scaffolds infused with growth factors to guide the regeneration process. And even more futuristic is the prospect of using small molecules or gene therapy to activate dormant regenerative pathways in the body. So, the million-dollar question: what will this cost? Predicting the future is always tricky, especially with groundbreaking medical technology. Initially, like most pioneering treatments, tooth regeneration is likely to be expensive. Think about the early days of organ transplantation or gene therapies. Costs were astronomical due to extensive research, specialized equipment, highly trained personnel, and limited availability. We could see initial prices in the tens of thousands, perhaps even higher, especially for the most advanced, personalized approaches. However, unlike a physical implant with material costs, the cost of regeneration is heavily weighted towards research and development. Once protocols are perfected and scaled, the per-patient cost could significantly decrease. Imagine a future where a regeneration kit is relatively standardized, bringing down the individual expense. There's also the question of accessibility. Implants require specialized surgical skills. While regeneration might also require skilled practitioners, the underlying process is biological, potentially reducing the need for extensive hardware and complex surgical tools in the long run. If it becomes a more natural process, could it eventually become more widely available and therefore more affordable than the intricate craft of implant dentistry? Ultimately, both dental implants and tooth regeneration aim for the same goal: restoring your smile and oral health. Implants are here now, a proven solution. Regeneration is the dazzling promise of tomorrow, offering a truly natural restoration. The cost comparison isn't just about dollar figures. It's about the balance between established technology and the potential for a biological revolution. What are your thoughts on this incredible future? Do you think the ability to regrow teeth will one day be more accessible than implants? Or will its initial complexity keep it a premium option for years to come?